Hey guys, this is Brad Barnes, the Barnes 4-Wheel Drive. Today we're going to take a little closer look at our axle tube sleeves for TJs and JKs. Okay guys, so as we all know, the TJ and the JK front axle tubes were made out of a little bit too thin a material for hardcore wheeling. So we've come up with an easy way to reinforce this tube so you can wheel with confidence. We have tube sleeves specifically designed for both the JK and the TJ. Both of them are going to require you to disassemble your axle so you can slide the tubes in from the outside. Now there's two different kinds of tube sleeves on the market today. You have the press fit and then you have the weld-in style. This is going to be a weld-in style. We've seen that the press fit can really be difficult to install, and once they get stuck, you really got a mess on your hands. We designed these so you can slide them into your axle tube. They do have a nice fit. It's not a press fit, but it's going to be nice and tight. And then what you can do is plug weld it along your axle tube to then make the axle tube and the tube sleeve all one piece. Now this is going to be an alternative to our axle truss kits that we already offer. They're both going to require welding, but this one will be a quicker process. One tip when you're installing these is make sure on your drill bit and pack the flutes full of grease. This will help prevent too many shavings from falling into your axle tubes. You will want to get those shavings out before you put the tube sleeves in. Hey guys, thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you out on the trail soon.